Yes guys, how you all doing? Welcome back. Today we're jumping on to our day 4. Finish that section over there. We complete the sidewall over there. And we start our octagon over here. Now we're working on this section here to finish right on the pouch section here. So I want to give you a little walkthrough of where we are so far. And then we're going to jump on into the video and continue to lay some more Indiana limestone. Today I might go a bit deeper into the video of how to lay these type of stone here. But before we do that, let's go around and show you what we did so far. So yesterday we did this much here. You see I have my reference line here, running from way down low, go all the way up to where we're gonna finish. We finish this wall here. Should have video upload for it. If you haven't seen those videos, feel free to go and check it out. We'll finish this wall, go all the way down. Later on we're gonna build up our pier. Those are some 20 by 20 pier. We're gonna have a arch around like this right over the front of the pouch here. That pier, we're gonna bring that up as well. We're gonna have a double-sided arch inside and outside. We're gonna have stone. And we also have over there, we still have a long way to go, guys. So if you haven't already subscribe now so you can come back and watch all those videos. This job is a takeover. The previous contractor did that portion over there, and he also did that portion, but we still have to finish above the garage that he left off. All the windows gonna be soldier coats across, so that's gonna be very fancy. Okay guys, so I show you around, I show you what we did so far, and I show you what we're about to do, which is this section here. But no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But as always, give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more cool video like this one. Let's get started. Okay guys, we're about to start our octagon. The first thing you want to do, you want to run a reference line. As you see, I have my reference line right here. I have my reference line line up to one edge of the stone. You want to bring it to one of the edge, and then you're going to have your 1/2 inch joint right beside it. I have mine on the right hand side here. So each stone I lay, I put it right beside my reference line, and that's the line I use to get a straightness go all the way up. It's very important to use a lot of brick ties, because as you see we have a control joint. The more brick tie you use, the stronger it gets. As you see, I use some brick tie, I tie it across, and I also put some in the studs right beside the window. I didn't put any tape beside my window here because we're gonna put blue skins afterwards. We're gonna pull the window out, and in some new window gonna be installed. Also, you want to stay 1/4 inch. You want to stay, you always don't want to buck your stone right up to your window, just in case later on they want to pop it open, and also for caulking space. It's very important to level each stone as you go, just so that, you know, it's a small wall. We want to have it look as nice as we can get it. So take your time and bring it up nicely. As you see, I go up the joint between both stone. I try to fill them with mortar, just so that I have it nice and solid as I go. And almost every other course, if not every course, I use brick ties as I go up. Very important to put a lot. We have our mark. I measure from the top, come down. Measure 10.5. 10.5 is the biggest size stone we have. So I have my mark right here on my window. So we just, as we go up, we just check to make sure that we're right on our mark. father are you?
Father, pity them, myself.
Okay guys, so we finally finished this section here. As you see here, I reach right up to my angle line, I install it, I put my level across, she's nice and level. So right now we're gonna set up over there and started to lay our stone over that side now. Okay, so we finished the tape of our seams. Now we're gonna go ahead and start to lay some stone. You always want to line up your Octagon box with the box that you have below. So we're trying to line up this with the one lower right in line. Here for the end here, you want to have a face stone. Face stone is usually here, as you see here, smooth. This is the face section. Right here, you want to always line up this section here that is straight in line. So you use your hammer, you use your chisel, and you just try and line it up. That looks nice and straight, just like you see I'm doing here now. See? Nice and straight. You just bring it right out to the edge of the line, avoid touching the line. You don't want to disturb the line because that way it will show you off the sides. Put it level, make sure it's nice and level. You also want to level it across as well. Same result as in plumbing it. Another one come right here, another medium come right over here. Beautiful. Water. Guys, it's just a few rules that you need to know in order to, you need to know the 3 rules of laying stone in order to lay these big boys. Let me see me serious, Andre. Here so that we know where we're gonna, because we need to put an angle line right across here. guys, well there you have it. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I don't want to draw in this video too long. But if you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more fun videos like this one. Thank you for watching as always. And I'll see you in the next one.